In the year 2013, a daring crew of reckless criminals unleash a torrent of chaos upon Washington, D.C. Backed by the reclusive genius mastermind Bane, these clown masked culprits stop at absolutely nothing to drain the city's vaults and fill their own greedy pockets, causing chaos and destruction wherever they go. These are the adventures of the Payday Crew.
By the ball! Come on, guys, let's get ice cream!
Payday, the animated series, is out now on VHS and Betamax. Grab a copy now, and you'll get 10 fully packed episodes. If you buy 3 copies, you'll get 2 copies for half the price of 4 copies and only pay for 1 extra copy at full price. What? It's payday time.